Hey guys, it's the mom here, and we are going to do a room tour of a room at the Hard Rock at Universal Orlando Resort. Now we're on the 7th floor, so this is a club level room which has access to the club lounge, but the layout's going to be similar to other rooms throughout the resort. You walk in, the first thing you've got here is your coffee service. Right below it, you're going to find your refrigerator. To the left, let me back up a little bit. You've got a closet. In your closet, you're going to find your safe, which is big enough for a laptop, extra bedding, hangers, your luggage rack, and of course, your ironing board and iron. You've also got your hairdryer stored up there. To the right, you're going to find your restroom. This is an open vanity area, so somebody can get ready while somebody else is in the shower. And there's a second sink in here as well, which is really helpful. So you've got like a full bath with an extra sink, basically. Got a nice shower, along with bath products. I love the drumstick decor here. This is really cool. We come into the main room. As you can see here, there is a lock-off, so you could do this as connecting rooms. We've got the dais with drawers there, so there's plenty of storage in there. A nice sized television. We've got a desk area down here. More art that goes with the theme of the Hard Rock. This hotel is themed very well, and there's memorabilia throughout it. So if you were a music fan, this is a great place to stay. It's also a quick 5-minute walk to Universal Studios. So we've got 2 queen-size beds, this lovely headboard. The light in here is really nice. The beds feel pretty comfortable. I want to show you this mirror over here. You can measure yourself up next to celebrities. So who are you as tall as? It's kind of hard to see some of the reflections on here, but right there at 5'6", that's Beyonce. I'm a little shorter than Beyonce. I'm more like Stevie Nicks height at 5'1". Then I'm going to show you the view. All the club level rooms are on the 7th floor, so you're all going to be at this elevation if you get club level. This is a nice reading seat here. And down here, below our window, is the butterfly garden. Right alongside the butterfly garden there, you'll see a walking path. That walking path takes you all the way to City Walk and Universal Studios, and it is a really quick 5-minute walk. So this is the most convenient of all the hotels. To the parks and City Walk, you don't even have to get on a bus, which is really a great plus. And you'll see all the grounds are well landscaped. And I think this is going to be a very comfortable stay. I hope this helps you decide where you're going to stay on your next vacation.